Welcome back to Silverpunk. It's all go at the moment. I've got a 3D printer on the go there, but I thought I had to get on and share this with you guys. About 3 months ago, 4 months ago, can't exactly remember the time frame, but Dan from Cardiff Gold, good looking chap here, look at that, the old double thumber, reached out to me and asked me for a high definition or high resolution, image of my logo, and I thought nothing of it. I thought, oh, it's going to be just for some YouTube video or something. Forgot all about it, and then out the blue, I had this package turn up, and it's just absolutely unbelievable. It's probably one of the best. Well, it is. It's the best unboxing and surprise I've had. It just goes to show how cool the stacking community is. So yeah, I had this parcel off Cardiff Gold. No, you just got to watch this unboxing. It's just blew me away. It's absolutely fabulous. So with no further ado, check this bad boy out. Now, as you can probably hear here, this is an actual voiceover, and the reason why I've had to do a voiceover is I got a bit what's the word? Let's just say a bit overwhelmed by the generosity of Dan and all the folks at Cardiff Gold. So to do it proper justice, I thought I had to re-record and do a voiceover, but I did leave a little bit of it in, which you'll see a bit further on in the video. But here we go. This is the very first one from the depths of TSC's computer. We give you, look at this. Look at this bad boy. Now look how crisp that is. And now, of course, that's Cardiff Gold. But on the other side, look at that. Stackers Social. How cool is that? Oh, just amazing work. I mean, look at that. That's a proper minted coin. Look at that. How cool is that for a round? Look at the shiny. Oh, hello. But look at that. Absolutely fabulous. 20 grams of loveliness. And yeah, as I say, when I actually I actually got, a bit overwhelmed. I'm still a bit blown away. I'm tripping up on my words, as you can tell, but it's just, as you can see, it's breathtaking. That's the word, breathtaking. I mean, look at that. And if that wasn't enough, that was just the first little jiffy bag. We've got the second one here, Mr. Punk. And well, this is the one that got me. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. It's just amazing. I hope you're getting that. I hope the camera does it, does it justice. I'm looking at it on the screen, and in the hand it's even better. But thank you so much to the guys and girls at Cardiff Gold. It's just like fabulous. Look at the detail. Just from a flat image that I sent, I'm just, as I say, just blown away. Absolutely blown away. So cool. So that was number 2, and there was still more to come in the bottom of the bottom. I mean, this is where I lost it a little bit there, where you can see with the hand gestures, but I think this was the one that probably tipped me over the edge. Number 3. When one isn't enough. Yeah, indeed. Oh my days. Oh my God. Oh, I just don't know what to say. Oh my God. Oh, it's amazing. Look at that. Thank you so much, Dan and Tash and everyone at Cardiff Gold. This is I'm not it's lost for words. Look at them bad boys.
a handful of punk coins. How cool is this? Yeah, oh my god, if that weren't enough, look at, I mean, how cool is that? And then the stack of social one, look at that bad boy. Oh, just lost for words. I just don't know what to say. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And if that wasn't enough, you could, as I've just put up there, you can see why I redid it. I was a jibber jabbering idiot, wasn't I? But if that wasn't enough, there was also a little, some more bonus stuff in there. It's really cool. Check these bad boys out. A load of Cardiff gold pens, absolutely fabulous. I actually use these for writing all my COAs because they're just the right, I don't know what you call it, like the ink's just right and the point at the end. Absolutely fabulous. Some more stickers and some more poker chips. So I will be definitely keeping 2 or 3 of them pens, but I am going to be giving some of these cool poker chips and the stickers away with some of the silver I sell. It's just, yeah, what can I say? I'm just overwhelmed. Just look at that. Look at them bad boys. Just thank you so much to the team at Cardiff Gold. Just, yeah, just blown away. Absolutely blown away. And it just shows you the community and the generosity that's out there. And I just want to thank Dan again. I've probably said that quite a few times now, but thank you. Absolutely wonderful. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. It was, as I said, it's the best one I ever did. Just go and check out Cardiff Gold. I've got to say that, haven't I? It goes without saying. Absolutely fabulous. I get all my casting grain from there. As you can see here, this is a website. Really easy to use. Just go and check them out, folks. It's a no-brainer.